Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make these lovely beaded rings. They made from Japanese seed beads, Delica, and this green square, it is Tila beads, Miyuki Tila bead. So let's get started. It is not so difficult project, but it's a bit fiddly to make. The beads are so tiny, but never mind, beautiful anyway. So we pick up 4 seed beads. This is Delica size 11, and we pass through 2 beads, and we make these beads sort of like folded, and we return again, passing through 2 beads again. So that's what we have. We will make a basic ladder stitch. So now we passing through these beads again, and we will repeat this step basically all the time as we're making our ring. We adding 2 beads and going back into them. It is difficult to hold because it's also tiny, but that's what we have for now. Let's keep going. 2 more into the same 2 beads from opposite direction, and go through this new 2 beads, passing them through and adding some more 2 beads back through, and so through. And again 2 more. So through them. And I think at this point I should add my Tila bead, include in my ring. You just go through a bit, position it. The most difficult it's all hold this all together because everything is so tiny. And back again into the Tila bead. Keep holding, and again through these 2 beads. And back in Tila. Adding 2 more beads, Delica 11, back in Tila, sew through 2 seed beads next to Tila, back in Tila again, sew through 2 Delica 11 O's, and we continue. We just keep adding our Delica beads. All the time it's 2 beads, and we sew through them and adding 2 more, and keep repeating until we have our length, what we need for our ring size. This ring I think I will wear on my small finger. And I think I add 28, if I'm correct, of seed beads and 1 Tila. That will be enough. If you need bigger size, you just add more rows, more beads. And now important bit, we need to return back to the beginning without any beads. We just saw through our design, passing through our beads, through our rows, not missing and not tangling anything. Nice and slow. Just keep going. This is important part of this beaded design, because by doing this we reinforce our ring and also our beads. You see, they now sit nice and neat. If you will skip this step, your design will be a bit wonky. So I suggest you don't. Keep sewing and reinforcing. Through Tila bead and continue. I have tiny little tail. It is happens sometimes, and at this point you need to really appreciate that you left long enough tail in the beginning so you can use it, like in my case now, as you can see. I'm struggling because of short tail. Next time maybe I should take a bit longer thread. And now we're at the beginning. That's what we have. Looks much better, but now clearly I will change my thread. I will use this little tail. It will be enough for me to finish this project. Here we go. Thread the needle. And now you hold your ring around the finger so it is more comfortable to work like that. And you just connect two ends together. Just sew them. As simple as that. Yeah. And again. And now we need to make sure that our ring is properly sewn, and we will make knots, and we will try to hide these knots as much as possible. Make our ring look elegant enough and knots not so visible. We'll try to hide them in the beads, and also we will just etch some thread which is on top of the beads and make a few knots that way, just to make sure everything is properly done and our ring will not fall apart. Just pull this knot inside a bit. Yes, it looks like a little project, but I suggest you to take about 70 centimeters of thread. And I think that should be okay. Now snip it off carefully. That's our ring. Time to try this on. And another one. You just roll a ring on your finger. I think it could be a good solution for people who don't like or cannot, for some reasons, cannot wear metal rings. And I think it's nice and stylish enough. Just something unusual. Here we go. It is comfortable to wear. Eva, thank you so much for watching.